Amber Heard said she was having a champion kind of birthday as she celebrated turning 38 on Monday. The Aquaman actress was pictured in a post on her Instagram page Tuesday as she relaxed while tipping back a glass of champagne on the special occasion. The Austin, Texas-born actress donned a golden turtleneck sweater with her blonde locks done, accessorizing with earrings, ring, and a watch. Tuesday's special occasion marked dubious anniversary involving Heard, as she was accused by ex-husband Johnny Depp of engineering a disgusting prank against him exactly 8 years ago Monday of April 2016. Depp, amid the former couple's legal battle years back, testified in 2022 that his maid has contacted him and informed him that a piece of feces had been left in his bed at his apartment in downtown Los Angeles. Heard reportedly has denied the claims. Depp said the thought that Heard was behind the unseemly prank as she was upset with him leaving her birthday party early. Depp told the court he felt Heard intended to get back at him with the prank after she departed to attend the Coachella Music Festival. Heard denied leaving the waste in Depp's bed in court testimony and said she believed one of their pet dogs were responsible for the dropping. Depp said that while Heard tried to blame it on the dogs, he did not think the canines were large enough to produce a fecal delivery like the one that was seen in his bed in images submitted to the court as evidence. I lived with those dogs for many years, Depp told the court in May of 2022. That did not come from a dog, it just did not. Depp told the court during the trial that he initially found humor upon hearing about what had happened. I mean, I laughed, Depp told the court. It was so outside. It was so bizarre and so grotesque that I could only laugh, so I did not go down there that day. Depp's longtime chauffeur and security staffer Starling Jenkins III said under oath in the trial that Heard described the incident to him as a horrible practical joke gone wrong. So thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for more video.